Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. So, in previous class, we already learned about uniqueness of Bangalore divisions. Yes, there are 9 divisions, means 9 districts in Bangalore division. Among 9, so we already completed Bangalore urban district, Bangalore rural district, and Ramanagara district. So now we are going to learn about Chikkaballapura district, which is the fourth district of Bangalore. Yes. See here. Kolara district was divided to create Chikkaballapura district. It was formed on November 10th, 2007. Yes, what Kolar district was divided into two parts. So among them, one was become a Kolar district and another one become a means another one formed as a Chikkaballapura district. Yes, so that Chikkaballapura district was formed on November 10th, 2007. There are 6 taluks in this district. Yes, in Chikkaballapur district there are 6 taluks. They are like Chikkaballapura, Gauribidanuru, Bagepalli, Sidlingagatta, Sidlgatta, Gudibande, and Chintamani. Yes, Nandi Durga is a noun hill station. Temples of Yoga Nandishwara and Bhoga Nandishwara are here. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for a mystic Tataya. Kaivara Tataya. Yes, everybody knows about the name of Kaivara Tataya. Yes. Vidurashwata is a historical place present in Gauri Bidanuru Taluk and in 1938 flag satyagraha was held against the British. Yes, flag in when 1938 flag satyagraha was held against the British. A memorial is built here in memory of that event. Nidu Nidu Mamidi Mutt. Nidu Mamidi Mutt of Bagepalli is well known. Sidlighat is a known business center. It is famous for its silk business. Which one? Sidlighat. Yes. Next comes Kolara district. Yes. The moment one hears the word Kolara, the gold mines are remembered. In Kolara, whenever we used to hear the name of Kolar district, definitely we will come to know or we will get a remember of Kolar gold mine. Unfortunately, the gold mines were closed down during 2003. Bangarapete, Kolara, Mulabagilu, Maluru, and Srinivasapura are the 5 taluks of Kolara. Means in Kolar district we used to see 5 taluks. Yes. The main the main occupations of the people of this district are agriculture, dairying, floriculture, and silk production. This district is a dry land often prone to droughts. Yes. Chikka Tirupati of this district is a well-known religious place. It has many tanks. Antargange is an important historical place. Places like Hazrat Baba, Hyder Ali Dargah, and Sri Padaraya Brindavana are in Kolar district. Yes. Now comes Tumakuru district. Tumakuru district was formed in the year of 1832. It is well known for its coconut. It is one of the largest districts of our state. One of the largest largest district. Yes, in our Karnataka. It has 10 taluks like Korategere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakanahಳ್ಳಿ, Pavagada, Kunigal, Turvekere, Tipaturu, Madugiri, Sira, and Tumkuru. The district has many forts. The district has many forts that were built by the Palegaras. Yes, so you already know that in earlier time Palegaras used to rule our Karnataka. Yes, the forts are in Madugiri, Midigeshi, Nidugal, Devaraya, Devarayana Durga, Huliyuru Durga, and Sira. The district is known for its educational institutes. Which one? Tumakuru district is very well known for the institutions of education. Free education and boarding facilities are given to thousands of students at Siddhganga Mutt under the leadership of Sri Shivkumar Swamiji. So everybody heard about this Siddhganga Mutt, yes, and also the person, one of the great and very peaceful person, he is none other than Sri Shivkumara Swamiji. Another important educational institution is Siddhartha Education Society. Yes, a unique horse breeding station is present in Kunigal. A unique horse breeding station. Yes, the unique horse breeding station is at present in Kunigal. The district is become an important industrial center of the state. Madhugiri has a monolith hills which is the only one in Asia. Yes, monolith hills in overall Asia continent only one is there as a monolith hill, that is in Tumkuru district. Yes, the Tumakuru district is becoming an important industrial center of the state, and only Madhugiri has a monolith hill. Madhugiri has a monolith hill, or in overall Asia. Yes, we can say like that. Madhugiri has a monolith hill, which is the only one in Asia. Okay, overall Asia continent, we used to see Madhugiri as a monolith hill. Devarayana Durga is famous for place. There is a folk song on the tank of Kunigal. Yes, there is a in Devaraya Durga. The famous place is there. That place name is Kunigal. Yes. So in Kunigal, regarding that tank, the Kunigal tank was already described in the song of folk song. Yes, the Lakshmi temple of Goravanahalli of Korategere Taluk is a famous temple. Lakshmi temple was famous in Korategere Taluk. Yes, next comes Chitradurga district. Chitradurga hill, and also you can see the picture of Madakari Nayaka. So everybody knows about Chitradurga Kote. Yes, Chitradurga is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. Chitradurga Kote. Yolu Suttina Kote, Chitradurgada Kote. Inside the fort there are ponds and temples. Ponds means article lakes like Hondagalu. Yes, taluks of Chitradurga are Chitradurga, Hiriyuru, Challakere, Hosadurga, Holalkere and Molkalmuru. These were the taluks of Chitradurga. This district is known for its Palegaras. Okay, Madakari Nayaka, he belongs to the Palegara family. Yes, so this Madakari Nayaka used to rule the Chitradurga, and by his ancient peoples only built this Chitradurga fort. Okay, that Chitradurga fort was ringed by seven ring, that was covered with the 7 ringed. Okay, next, Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara. Onake Obawa is another well-known historical person. Yes, Nijalingappa, Balladihalli, Raghavendra Swami, Talukina, Venkatanaya, Tarasu, Shri and Shivamurthy, Muruga, Sharananaru and Taralabalu Swami, Kabirananda Shrama, Shivalingananda Swami and Jagaluru Imam Sahib are the few known personalities. Yes, now comes next comes Davanagere district. Okay, Davanagere district was formed by dividing after the Chitradurga. Davanagere district was formed by after the dividing of Chitradurga in 1997. Yes, a few parts of Shivamogga and Harapanalli of Ballari district were added to the newly formed district of Davanagere. It has 6 taluks like Harihara, Harapanalli, Channagiri, Honnalli, Jagaduru, and Davanagere. Davangere was known as the Manchester of Karnataka. Davangere was known as a Manchester of Karnataka. During 1960s, it was famous for its textile production. During 1960, Davangere district was famous for textile production. For that reason, now also Davangere district is known known as a Manchester of Karnataka, or Davangere district was called as a Manchester of Karnataka because Davangere was famous for its textile production. But due to lack of raw cotton, the mills have been shut down. There are many sugar factories operating nowadays. Yes, hundreds of food processing units are working in this district. It has also made name as the important education center of the state. The well-known Bapuji Education Institute is here, the biggest lake in South India, Shantisagara is in Channagiri. Yes, it has a circumference of 64 kilometers. The Harihareshwara temple from the Hoysala period is found in Harihara. Now comes the last district of Bengaluru division, that is none other than Shivamogga. Yes, whenever you will heard the name of the district Shivamogga, you will definitely come to know about two important things like Jog Falls of Shivamogga and Kuvempu Home at Kuppalli. Kuvempu Home at Kuppalli and Jog Falls. Yes, this is one of the famous districts of Karnataka. It is well known for its scenic beauty. There are 6 taluks in Shivamogga. Okay, like Tirthahalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, yes, Shikharipura and Hosanagara. It is called the rice granary of Karnataka. The maximum rice was produced by the district of Shivamogga. Yes, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and Kumudvati rivers flow in this region. Yes, Shankaraghat is the home of Kuvempu University. Shankaraghat is the home of Kuvempu University. See, not only we used to see in Shivamogga the home of Kuvempu and the Jog Jalpa, even Kuvempu University is also in Shivamogga, specifically Shankaraghat. Okay, next. Kuppalli, the birthplace of Kuvempu, is in Tirthahalli Taluk. It is now growing as a tourist center. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. Yes, the Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project provide the most of the electricity needs of the state. Yes, overall Karnataka used to get electricity from the Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project. From these two electricity we used to get electric. Means understood. It is said Shivamogga was founded by Keladi rulers. It is said by that Shivamogga was founded by the rulers of Keladi. There is an archaeological museum at Keladi. It is said the name Shivamogga is due to the face resembling Lord Shiva. The Shivamogga name was face resembling of Lord Shiva. Jog Falls, the highest waterfalls in Asia, is in Geru Soppa. There is a bird sanctuary in Gudavi of Sorab Taluk. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is well known. Agumbe of Tirthahalli Taluk receives highest rains in Karnataka. The Tripuranatha Keshwara and Kedareshwara temples of Balligavi are famous. Keladi ruler Shivappa Nayaka had built a beautiful palace in Keladi. Yes, Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Anantamurthy, the recipients of Gyanapita Award. Yes, our Gyanapita Award are from Tirthahalli taluk of this district. National Award winning singer Shivamoga Subbanna is from this district. Okay, this was the introduction of this was the brief introduction of Bengaluru division. Yes, so let us move for one more division. Now only let us start the one more division of your lesson, that is none other than Mysuru division. Yes. But guys, in the next session we will read this Mysuru division. Okay. Until then, take care of yourself. In the next session, we'll meet. Okay. Because if I would start this Mysuru division now, it will be half only. It will become half in this session only. Okay. So doing a half session or doing a half point of this Mysuru division. So in the next session only, we people are going to completely learn about this Mysore division. Okay. So in next division we'll learn Mysore division. Until then, take care of yourself.